Ready to do some riding, dude? What's up, guys? Today we got something a little bit different going on. We got Mama Bear here. We got Cash ETV on Instagram. He's got the Lifan. Attaboy. Me and Mama Bear's hopping on the 850. We're just gonna hit the Mersey road. Found this little track. Well, it kind of looks like an old eroded track about a year ago, so I want to take a little man there, let him whip around, and then hopefully we're gonna hit the Sawdust pit. Just a little family time out on the trails. Ready to go? Yeah. Let's do it. Hey, babe. This is like the little racetrack thing I was telling you about. You can drive all around here. Yeah. We'll just go right around here and back out, and then we'll go to the Sawdust pit. You need to take a break first? No? I guess not. No, it looks bigger than the pictures? Yeah. We made it to the Sawdust pit. Anyone from around here knows what this place is like. It's a pretty cool spot. Just stop, have a snack, have a little beverage, pass out from stress of watching your son four-wheeler on the trails, or practice some wheelies, donuts, all that kind of stuff, and we're gonna do a little bit of that. So yeah, that's it. A little family fun on the trails. Not even close. And there's the big mud hole that gets everybody stuck.
What big mud hole?
Down at the bottom.
That turn?
You got it. It's not the day for that. All right, let's have a snack. Maybe rip around a little bit. That's where the bumpy jumps are. It's bumpy. You just did a perfect donut. You know that? Just having a little supper break here. My bad. And then maybe burn around a bit more and get home before the sun goes down. You think, bud? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Good job. Just trying to clean some of the weekend off of this thing. Cash is in here doing the same thing. How you making out, dude?
Good.
Attaboy. Alright guys, it's the next day. Appreciate you watching the family vlog here. It's been a while since I've done one of those. It's nice to get out on the trail with the wife and the little guy. See him rip around on his little machine. Brings me all kind of joy. Like I said, hopefully you guys didn't mind a family vlog. Been a while since I did one. I felt it was due. Just out here in the shed. I got to spend a little time out here in the shop in the process of doing my first service. Got it all done except the gearbox oil because Adventure Motors kind of screwed me by stripping the heck out of that. But I'll get it sorted out. And if you hadn't noticed, the tires are off. I got new ones there, so I got to get these off the rims. Get them switched over. So yeah, drop a comment if you want to see a shop video. I did film a little bit while I was taking the tires off and doing the service and that, but I don't know if I'm going to put a video together for it or not. I'll leave that up to you guys. Let me know what you want to see. I also got a part coming for the snorkel that I'm pretty excited about from My Lifter. That's going to look dope on there. Really excited to try it out, see how it works, so stay tuned for that. And while you're in the comments, just drop one and let me know what you guys want to see. If you got any video ideas you want, I'll try them out. I'll at least entertain it anyways. And I got a ride planned maybe this coming weekend. Fingers crossed that goes through. Anyway, I guess that's it. See you guys next time. Appreciate you watching. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace.